Hey guys, welcome back. So today I am working in the craft room and I am rearranging and organizing a couple of things, and I figured I would share that with you. So in the middle of my craft room I do have an island, and in this side right here I tend to do my stamping, embossing, and I do use my Cricut on this side as well. And I wasn't taking advantage of the whole area here of my little island, so I went ahead and made myself another work area, which I will share with you in a minute. And there's a couple of things that I wanted to add to that new craft area, so let me show you what I'm doing. I had my charms in this, well, I do have my charms in this Hildy and Joe containers, which you get 24 on a pack. And there's a couple more that I need to add to some of these containers. And also, I want to show you what I'm going to do, where I'm going to store them now, okay? So let's go ahead and put these charms on these little containers. I really like these. You can fit a lot in here. Okay, so now that's done. Okay, so I had my charms previously on this 12, I think they're 12 by 12 or 13 by 13 containers from Michaels, and I will be removing these. And the reason why I have this right here, I'll be emptying this out, and I'm only going to use the drawer from this container, and I will show you where I will be storing it. Okay, so I'm going to remove this right now. Let me take all this out. Okay, so here's my acrylic drawer, and I will be adding these charms I have in these containers, and these are from Tuesday Morning, I believe I found those containers at. So I will be giving these charms a new home, and they will be placed in my new work area, just to have them within reach. If I don't see it, I won't use it, you guys. I need to see my stuff in order for me to use them. That's just how I work. Okay. These ones are so cute. So as you can see, I have a lot more room to fill this up, and then I'm just gonna have to find some other stuff to store on these 12 by 12 containers. Okay. Sorry for the shaking. I'll get rid of this. I need to add these to my workspace as well, because I like to have these in hand. Sorry about that shaking, guys. Okay, so on this one I will add these charms. Okay. Sorry about all that shaking. So they fit really good, and I do have more room on here to store maybe a couple more. Okay, so now let's place them in their new home. Okay. Okay, so this is the new work area, and let me give you a little tour on what I did. These stationery organizers I picked up from Home Goods, and I did spray paint pink, and I really loved how they turned out. So on this section right here, I will be adding the paper collections that I will be working with. So I really like that. They have a little drawer here, and this is where I keep, where I will be keeping little embellishments and little things here and there that just tend to throw in a drawer. So this area right here is where I'm going to be adding these drawers. So let's put those in there. And see how they fit really good? And they look really pretty as well. So I'm really happy. So I'll be keeping those there. I do have my glue gun here. And this organizer glue gun holder was from Weird Memory Keepers. And I really like how it holds all my scissors and all that stuff. What else do I have here? My eyelets. I can't remember what those were called, sorry. And more eyelets. And a couple of things that I tend to use. These are the eyelet setters and chompers and all that stuff. My wax, Wax It from Lora Valora. I really like her stuff. So I do have some of my wax beads, my wax stamps. I will be keeping some of my glue on this side. And so here's the other stationery organizer. And I do have more little things in there that I will be keeping. So they will be within reach. So this is the other area where I will have my charms going in, okay? This will be their new home. And as you can see, they fit really nice. Okay. So that will be their new home. And they will be within reach when I'm working on this area. Okay. And here, like I said, I will be keeping paper collections that I will be working with. Right here on top, I do have my little mini cutter and some little dangles that I was working on. I store them on here and have them on hand. And then this is a really pretty carousel that my friend Poochie sent to me for a birthday gift. So that was really sweet of her. So very pretty. I love that. So that will be staying on the side of my desk. Okay. So yes, you guys, that's it. This is my new craft area. I'm so happy. Okay, so let me give you a little tour of... Sorry about my lighting. It's really cloudy over here, so lighting is not that great. So this is where my Cricut is. I use it here, and I think I'm just going to leave it there. And I think you guys have seen this side of my island many times on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me there, I'm on Instagram as well. Okay. So that's it, you guys. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more organizing videos, okay? Bye.